Hi there, and welcome to English 101. Today we're going to talk about 5 common English words that many people, even advanced learners, tend to use incorrectly. So let's get started. First up, fun and funny. Fun means something is enjoyable, like a party or a game. But funny means something makes you laugh. So you can say the party was fun. But if someone is telling jokes, you'd say the comedian was funny. Next up is a big one, borrow versus lend. If you take something from someone, you borrow it. If you give it to someone, you lend it. So you can say, may I borrow your book? Just remember, to borrow is to take, to lend is to give. Lie versus lay. When you're talking about yourself getting into a flat position, you lie down. But if you're putting something somewhere, you lay it down. So you lie down on your bed or couch, but you lay your laptop down on the table. Fewer and less. You've probably seen these mixed up. Use fewer when you're talking about things you can count, like items in a cart. Use less for things you can't count, like liquid. For example, a drink of something like milk or water. Remember, fewer is countable, whereas less is uncountable. Affect versus effect. Affect is a verb, something that changes something else, like the weather will affect my plans, or the loud music will affect my study. Effect is a noun. It's the result of something, like the effect of the rain was a healthy plant, or the effect of the loud music was a headache. Remember, affect is a verb to change. Effects is a noun, the result. Now it's your turn. Are you using these words correctly? Let me know in the comments which words surprised you the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on learning English.